Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to share with you skin whitening overnight. This magical remedy will remove dark spots and dark patches, and it gives you fair, spotless, glowing skin and even toned skin with very simple and natural ingredients at home that you already have. So the first thing we'll need, in a clean mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. And then we'll need to juice 1 potato and mix the potato juice to get the starch. And then we need to add 2 tablespoons of fresh potato juice. And then we'll need to add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. You can use the market aloe vera gel or the natural aloe vera gel. And then we'll need to add 1 capsule of vitamin E. And here I'm using the 400 milligrams. And then we'll need to add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And then mix all the ingredients very well. Once you mix and combine all the ingredients very well, we need to apply it on a clean skin that has no makeup or dust. And my friends, I prefer to apply this overnight, and you will get rid of any dark spots, any dark patches, and you will get spotless and fair skin. My friends, this magical remedy works from first use. It has all the skin whitening properties. Potato has natural bleaching enzymes, and it will get you fair, spotless skin with aloe vera gel and the lemon juice. And then leave it to dry out completely before you wash it with lukewarm water. And my friends, the result will shock you from the first use, because you will remove the dark spots and the dark patches. You'll find your skin glowing from first use. It works for face and it works for body as well. It works for any dark patches, any dark spots. I hope this video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming natural effective remedies like that. And I'll see you in my next video.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. I love you.